How you doing? Okay, so our friend Buddy is here. He's to the left of you, to the right of me, and I got some peanuts here for him. Did you see that? He almost came in and grabbed it without me even looking at him. Come on, Buddy.
I think you gave him too much of a choice.
Okay, well, let me do this. I'll just give him one. Here he comes. Nice. Hey, buddy. I've got one in each hand. Here he comes. Wow. Let's see which one he takes.
That's the one.
How about this one, buddy? He's off.
He'll be
Talk
back.
to you later. Okay, let's see if I can get Buddy over here. I scared him away. Here he comes. Hey, buddy. Come get a nut. Nice. Have a good one.
Buddy's here waiting for his peanut. Love you, Buddy.
Got a nice nut for you, buddy. Come on. Come on, right here. Getting close. Nice. That looks like a better one. Nice. Hey, buddy, I get a big fat one. Oh, that might not be Buddy. Will you tap for me? Now we make this tapping noise and sometimes it works. Or maybe he's full. We gave him a bunch earlier. Look at the size of this one. That might be 4 of them.
I don't think that was Buddy.
Wow, it sure smells good over here anyways.